Hi everybody, my name is Suzanne Hyren and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. In this week's tip, I'd like to show you how to make the most of the Strawberry Builder Punch. There's a few tips I'd like to give you on how to maximize your paper and a couple of extras. So let's get started. This week I want to talk to you about the Sweet Strawberry bundle. It includes the Sweet Strawberry stamp set and the Strawberry Punch, which is a builder punch, and both available at a discount of 10% if you buy them together. So first tip is to always look at the bottom of your punch when you're punching out some images. In this one you can see there are 4 different images in one punch. So what a great deal. What we're going to do is show you how to align your pieces of cardstock to not waste too much paper. So let's start with the top image, which is the leaf. So I'm going to stamp the leaf. And since it's going to come in from the top, I'm going to stamp it so that we don't have to go all the way to the bottom. We just line it up, look through, and punch. So the leaf came out and we hardly wasted any of the cardstock. We'll do the same thing for the stem. So the stem is coming in from the right side, so what we want to do is stamp it on the edge of your paper in the direction that you're going to punch it out. Insert it, line it up, and punch. So we hardly wasted any paper, and you have your stem. Piece number 2. Now let's do the flower. Flower is in petal pink, and it's going to be inserted through the left side of the punch, so we'll put it on this side of the paper. Line it up again and punch. And the last but not least is the strawberry. And if you notice, the wider part of the strawberry is on the bottom. So when you take your stamp, you'll want to place the bottom part of the strawberry this way. Line it up on the side. Now this one you're going to waste a little bit of paper, whichever side you decide to do it, because there's the stem and there's the flower. So you just punch it out. You have a few more pieces. Just discard those, but at least you didn't waste a whole piece of cardstock. So now you have your 4 images, and another tip you can use if you have a Stamparatus is to punch out a template. Make yourself a template, position it on your Stamparatus with the magnets. Now you can take your stamps, place them exactly where the punch is going to punch them out. So we have all 4 images. Make sure you have them on the right side so that the plate can pick them up. And so now you can remove your template and just put your piece of cardstock. And because they're positioned properly, you only have to punch once. And the other thing it allows you to do is to use your markers the color that you want to have your image come out. So if you want the petal pink, you do the flower in petal pink. You can do the green stem, the green leaf, and the red strawberry. and they will come out on one piece of paper when you punch it out with your builder punch. So I hope you enjoyed this tip, and I thank you for being here, and we'll see you again soon.